If you're dealing with joint pain, inflammation, or just feel low on energy, today's video might be a game changer for you. We're going to show you how to make a super simple herbal drink that you can prepare right at home. Try it for 15 to 20 days, then come back and share your experience in the comments. Welcome to Vitality Bliss, the channel where we unlock the power of natural healing, holistic wellness, and everyday vitality. In this video, I'll share 5 key recommendations that can help you manage inflammation, ease joint pain, and feel more energized. We'll start with a drink recipe and then dive into herbs, minerals, vitamins, and dietary changes that truly make a difference. Recommendation number 1, let's start with the herbal drink. You'll want to drink this daily for 15 to 20 days. It's not the tastiest, but the ingredients are incredibly effective. Think of it as an herbal wellness tea. Not your typical sweet smoothie, but something that fuels your body from the inside out. Here's what you'll need: 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Turmeric boosts blood flow, helps cleanse your blood, and supports healthy circulation. Good circulation helps your heart, blood vessels, and tissues get the nutrients they need. It's also known for reducing inflammation and easing discomfort, which is why it's the foundation of this drink. A pinch of black pepper. Black pepper increases the bioavailability of turmeric, making it work even better. It also supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and boosts metabolism. Just a little goes a long way. Moringa powder. Moringa has been called a modern superfood, and for good reason. It balances insulin, fights inflammation, supports gut health, and boosts energy naturally. If you're feeling tired, low, or craving sugar, moringa can really help. Start with 1/2 teaspoon at first. Once your body adjusts to the taste, you can increase to 1 teaspoon, and eventually to a heaping teaspoon. Now add all of this to a glass of warm water, not hot, just warm. Mix well. You can drink it in the morning, before or after food, whichever feels better for you. If the taste is too strong, add 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice. It makes it much easier to drink. Drink this daily. If your joint pain is more intense, you can even have it twice a day, morning and evening. Just remember, start slow with moringa and increase gradually to avoid overwhelming your system or taste buds. Recommendation number 2, food to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes people make while healing inflammation is eating the wrong kind of foods, even healthy ones. Here's what to cut out for now. Raw foods that make crunching sounds, like raw veggies or apples. If you want apples, bake them first. Fermented foods, no curd, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut. Sprouts, even though they're healthy, avoid them temporarily. Cruciferous veggies like cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. No spinach, no eggplant, and avoid raw tomatoes. No pulses except for mung bean. This approach follows a Vata-pacifying diet based on Ayurvedic principles. In Ayurveda, Vata is one of the 3 core energies called doshas that govern how your body functions. Vata is made up of air and space elements, so when it's out of balance, it creates dryness, stiffness, instability, and pain in the body. That's why an imbalanced Vata can lead to joint pain, body aches, restlessness, poor digestion, or even anxiety. So when we say a Vata-pacifying diet, we're simply using foods that are warm, grounding, and easy to digest to bring that energy back into balance. By avoiding these Vata-aggravating foods just for these 15 to 20 days, you'll give the herbal drink the best environment to do its job, reducing inflammation and speeding up relief. Recommendation number 3, Boswellia supplement. This Ayurvedic herb has been trusted for centuries. Known today as Boswellia, it works similarly to a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, but without the harsh side effects. That's the beauty of natural healing. How to take it: 2 tablets in the morning plus 2 in the evening, on an empty stomach. Stick with it until your pain eases. Recommendation number 4, magnesium. Magnesium helps relax your muscles, calm your nervous system, and reduce physical stress. When your body is more relaxed, healing speeds up. Make sure to choose magnesium glycinate. magnesium, biglycinate, magnesium, chelate. Only these types. Recommended dose: 800 milligrams at night about 1 hour before bed. Take it for up to 2 months, then take a break for 1 month before restarting. Recommendation number 5, vitamin D3. If you're dealing with body aches, fatigue, bone, or joint issues, vitamin D3 might be the missing link. You can get it from sunlight. Your body naturally produces D3 when exposed to the sun. Or take supplements. Sun exposure is ideal. It gives you not just D3, but other amazing health benefits. But if that's not possible, here's what we recommend: 60,000 IU once a week, or 8,000 to 10,000 IU daily. Higher doses are often more effective than small daily amounts. That's it. These are my 5 key recommendations to help you reduce joint pain, fight inflammation, and bring more energy and vitality into your life. Give it a try for 15 to 20 days. Come back and share your journey with us in the comments. Here at Vitality Bliss, we're building a wellness community that's all about natural healing and sustainable vitality, and we'd love to hear your story. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay grounded, stay blissful.